Nagiging emotional ako. Your eyes, very tantalizing. Ganun-ganun pa siya. I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be holding you tight. There's no worry. The world had rather be. Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Nakaka-inlove. Nakakilig. Nice! Nako, Alexa. Dreaming about you and me. Oh, I love you too. Ganda oh. Ang ganda oh. Look at that.
Flashback.
Oh, Alexa. Siya lang buong tanging may pabewang dito sa pik-pik-pik-pik na to. Pabewang. Oh. 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 Alexa, no. Oh, ibigyan niyo ng tubig sa Alexa na uhaw sa pik-pik-pik-pik. Pik-pik-pik. Pik-pik-pik-pik. Pik-pik-pik-pik. Naririnig mo ba?
End of flashback.
Alexa, ilahan.
I'm ready for this. I'm longing for this. This is for all of you.
Late at night when all the
Kinikilabutan ako.
sleeping, I stay up and think
ano yun?
of you.
Oh, cellphone? Lyrics. Baby, hindi niya kabisado.
'Cause I'm dreaming.
Uy, nagiging emotional ako. Nagiging emotional ako. I don't know, I'm too emotional for this. Maybe dahil matagal ko siyang hindi napapanood at nakikita. I mean, nagpe-perform, no? Kasi napapanood naman natin siya, no? Weekdays sa Pira-Pira Song Paraiso. No? Any social media platform, napapanood natin ang Pira-Pira Song Paraiso. Pero iba pa rin, no? Yung nakikita mo siya nagpe-perform besides from acting, no? Well, very usual naman. Yung acting craft ni Alexa, no? I mean, pag acting, no? Wala talaga masasabi sa acting performance ni Alexa Ilacan. Talagang bigay todo, no? Kung umarte, no? Best actress talaga para sa akin. Itong si Alexa Ilacan, especially din sa Pira-Pira Song Paraiso niya. My God, ang galing niya, no? Mga bads, ang galing niya po sa mga bawat eksena niya, no? Yung facial expression, yung galit, yung iyak, no? Woo! Alexa. Maybe that's why I'm really getting emotional right now. Hindi naman siguro ako naiyak dito. I mean, ano lang ako, very overwhelmed. No? Nakita ko siya ulit. Hopefully, soon, silang dalawa ni KB din. No? Nami-miss ko rin po yung batang yun, si KB Estrada. Silang dalawa actually, yung KB Lex na.
I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me.
Yes, I see at your eyes. Your eyes, very tantalizing. Ganun-ganun pa siya.
I just want to hold you close, so far. Don't wait for the day
The courage to say
how much
I love you. I love you.
yes I do.
I love you.
Yes I do.
You do? Till tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight. there's no worry, the world has tried.
Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Ako'y kinikilig, bakit kayo lumalapit ako?
Nakaka-inlove. Nakakilig yung boses niya. Nice! Nako, Alexa.
Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. I can't stop thinking of you. I can't stop dreaming.
I wonder why wala si KD dito sa I Want ASAP Live, no? Why? Can someone tell me why? Comment down below mga buds. Ba't wala po si KD rito? Bakit alone po si Alexa at wala si KD? Asan? Si KD? Paging KD? Why you left Alexa alone here?
I can't stop dreaming. I can't stop dreaming of you.
Mga buds, tanong ko lang, may kasunod na po ba yung walang aray nila? Yung stage play nila, mga buds? Hopefully, sana masundan, no? Yung walang aray. Magkaroon sana pa ulit sila ng stage play, no? Like that, mga theater act like that. Kasi parang, ewan ko ba? Parang yung boss din kasi ni Alexa, no? At ni KD, parang fit na fit, no? Sa pang-teatro, sa stage, no? Especially Alexa, yung boses niya, ang ganda.
When all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I still can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Love you too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow.
Wait a minute.
Kurap siya ng kurap, no?
And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be.
Wait a minute.
Ngayon ko lang na pagtanto, may nunal pala siya rito, ano? Ngayon ko lang napansin. Dito pa siya talaga sa center dito.
I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming with you endlessly.
Endlessly. Oh. Correct. Ganda. Ni Miss Alexa. And that note. Yay! I like that. Ulitin natin yung note na yun.
And for all of my life,
Ipapalseto.
and for all of my life,
Ang ganda yung napapalseto niya, no? Buo pa rin.
rather be
Yay!
than here in my room, dreaming about you.
Hey! Ganda, oh! Ang ganda, oh! Look at that. Thank you, Alexa. Thank you, ASAP Online. ASAP natin to live. Thank you po sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
80,000 impressions later.
Ay, sa wakas, ay matapos din yung longing ko kay Alexa Ilacad, no? Yeah, syempre pending pa rin, no? Si KD Estrada. Silang dalawa actually, no? I want to see them again. Both, no, together sa stage at nagbibigay kilig sa atin. I really do miss them. Our KD-Lex, our sweethearts KD-Lex. Yung longing ko for Alexa is talagang natuldukat, no, today. At talagang napakaswerte po natin dito sa ASAP natin to live. Maraming salamat. I'm fun watching this. I hope you guys also enjoy this video. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification mga buds para po updated kayo sa mga pang videos natin. And if you buds have a request video, comment down below mga buds. And alam niyo po, kapagbigyan po natin yung request nyo. See you guys next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.